Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you using VLOOKUP and match together for smarter lookups. In this table, we have to bring values using VLOOKUP and match based on employee ID like this. Equal to VLOOKUP, lookup value, this is our lookup value, freeze the column. In table array, select this entire table. Give column index and select exact match here. Drag the function to other cells. Instead of changing column index number in every cell, we can replace it with match function like this. In place of column index number, write match function like this. In lookup value, select this cell, freeze the cell. In lookup array, select this complete column. Here, select exact match, close the function, press enter. Drag the same function to other cells as well. Match function will bring the exact position of a selected lookup value like this. This is how column index number is getting changed in VLOOKUP function. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.